Hey Brett, Bob Holzhacker, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. Kind of a rainy day today. Luckily we're doing your video inside because this is a video for you and your wife on the GLE you looked at briefly here. I know you test drove the wagon. I'd like to invite you back and test drive this beautiful GLE 350. Great selling SUV, one of the top rated models in the marketplace, and I'll give you some of the reasons why. Starting at the front, you have the iconic Mercedes-Benz grille. The AMG trim package gives you a little bit of the sparkle here. Behind the star is our Distronic system and also the brake assist system, which will detect a deer, a moose, something in the middle of the road. It's going to both warn you audibly and visibly and then proceed to put on the brakes to help you avoid that object. So great looking AMG wheels, Pirelli tires. You do have the running boards, and the night package gives you all the blacked out trim here, body colored wheel arches. So coming to the back, the car shows beautifully. You do have the built-in trailer hitch, which even if you don't have a trailer, helps with resale to pull anything you want, a factory installed hitch and wiring. Let's open the back here. Only about 1% of these cars come with this third row seat package. It doesn't take up any room at all when these are down, and they're seats for people for short distances or for children, something. It does give you the 7-passenger capacity. So let's walk around this side. Wonderfully equipped car. You can see by the window sticker a whole list of options. The driver's assistance package gives you the Distronic, heated and ventilated seats, a whole host of things. So let's open inside. Of course, real wood. I like this this laminate here. This isn't painted on. These are various types of wood put together. Heated and ventilated seats again. You do have the Burmester sound system, which is 580 watts. It's really crisp and clear. Even if you don't use the loud volume levels, it's just terrific. It's a great SUV, super in the snow. Our 4MATIC system, I think, is the best in the business. If you were to put this car up on a lift, you would see that all 4 wheels are powered all the time. It doesn't have to torque split like other models. Now with the 4-cylinder turbo this car has, plenty of oomph for around town for almost everyone. But you're rated at 26 on the highway, so that's amazing for such a heavy vehicle. Let's talk later today. I'd like to get your wife back and test drive this car before she decides. 207-747-9714. Thank you.